Hey guys, it's Kurt from I Am Music.
Hey, we're going to do a quick video on the upgrade from OAX 2.6 to 2.7. Most Wersi owners are aware that in the past couple of days, 2.7 was released, has some nice features, nice enhancements. If you're a new owner and you have not been through the update process, follow along. We'll show you the simple steps. Okay, so the first question is, how do I get my hands on the update? So all the owners by now, I'm not sure how long it takes, but I would think by now everyone has gotten an email that looks something like this, and you'll see there's 4 files there, links at the bottom there, the exe file and then 3 zip files. You need to download those using a computer and save them on a USB stick, and then take that USB stick and plug it in to one of the USB slots on the front of your Sonic. Alright, click up here in the top right under Settings, and then the next screen, Update Software in the lower left. This pop-up is for the USB stick, so now you've stuck that in, you click OK, and you should see the USB start flickering now as it starts to work with those files, copy them to the organ, unzip them, and there you go, it's off doing its thing. Here's one thing you'll notice here is it did exit OAX and drop down to the Windows level to do this actual install. The next thing comes up is the language prompt. In my case, I want English, and I click Next. Now you get to pick if you want to do a fresh installation or just update so you don't lose your presets and things like that, which is what I want to do. So I'm going to click Update. And again, read that carefully, make sure you pick which one you like, and then click Next. And it's kind of confirming the option or the choice that I made. And again, it's keeping all my presets and styles and activation keys and all of that stuff. So I'm going to click Install. And by the way, that's what most of you are going to want to choose. And now, as you can see, it is off doing its thing. And when you hit 100%, you'll get the magic successful message. Down in the bottom right, you want to click on Complete Install, and it will turn around now and launch OAX for you. Look down in the bottom right, you see we're now running version 2.7. So that's really all there is to it. It's pretty darn easy to do the update. So stay tuned here in the next week or 2, or maybe 3, who knows how long it'll take us, but we're going to poke around and try out some of the new features, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll put together a couple of short videos as we take a tour and learn more about OAX 2.7.